are going to love the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, navigation system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.